Today we will learn how to find out how to check the divisibility of a number by 11. Suppose we are given a number that is 75691. Now we have to find out which one is the odd place and which one is the even place. Now if you number it with, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is the odd number, so this is the odd place. So we have to find out the digit of the odd places. So this is the odd places digit 1, 6 and 3, because this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. ये 4 place है and this is a 5 place. Okay, so 1, 3 and 5, this is the odd digit we know. So this is the digit of the odd places. So we should first find out the sum of the digit which is at the odd places. This is the odd place. Okay, 1, 9 and 5. So we just, and the even places कौन सा है, 9 and 5, because 2 and 4, this is the even places. So we have to find out first the sum of the digits of odd places. Okay, what is the digit of the odd places? 1, 6 and 7. Okay, so 7 plus 6 plus 1, 7 plus 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Now we have to find out the sum of the digits of the even places. Now even places 2 and 4, this is the 2 place. 2 and 4 place में कौन कौन सा digit है? 5 and 9. So now we find the sum of the digits of even places. What is this? 5 and 9. 5 plus 9, that is again 14. Now we have to find out the difference between odd place and even place, or even place and odd place. Now the difference is 14 minus 14, that is 0. Now when the difference between the sum of the digits of the odd places and the sum of the digits of the even places is 0, then we can say the whole number 75691 is divisible by 11. So we have to write it down, or you cannot write, just if it is 0, then we can say that 75691 is divisible by 11. Now there is another condition for the divisibility by 11. Either it is 0 or we get the number. इसको दो sums को अगर हम लोग if we get 0 or we get a number that is divisible by 11, then we can say the whole number is divisible by 11. Now I will also show you another example that you can see that how to find out the divisibility of a number by 11. Let us take another number, that is 4628173. Okay, 4628173. Now what are the odd places? This and this. Okay, these are the odd places, 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now these are the even places, 2, 4, 6. So these are the odd places, and this is the even places. Now we have to find out the sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. Okay, sum of the digits of the odd places, digits of the odd places is 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Now that is 4, 3, 3, 6, 4, that is 10. Okay, and again we find the sum of the digits of the even places, that is 6 plus 8 plus 7. 687, दिस इज इवन प्लेसेस डिजिट्स. ओके, तो इसको हम लोग ऐड करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट 8, 14 and that is 21. Okay, 21. Now we have to find out the difference. Difference is 21 by 10, that is 21 and 10. Difference is 11. Now you know that 11 is divisible by 11. So the whole number 4628173 is divisible by 11. So the two condition for the divisibility of a number by 11 is either the difference will be 0 or we will get a number that is divisible by the 11. A difference either it will be 0 और कोई ऐसा नंबर होगा जो 11 के which number we can divide by the 11. Okay, or that is so we can say that 4628173 is divisible by 11. Okay, so using this formula, either it will be 0 or a number that is divisible by 11, we can find out we can check the divisibility of a number by 11.